So today I'm going to be showing you how to create normal forms, split forms, and a multiple items form. So to start off for the first form, I'm going to go have the customers table highlighted. You're going to click on the create tab, and then next to queries and reports, in between queries and reports should be a forms tab, and you're going to click on form. And here it's going to show you the customer's full information and then all of their orders in the subform. And it says change the width of the customer ID field to about half the current size. And to do that, see these black dotted lines on the side. And if you can get close to them, there's these two black arrows, and you're going to reduce that size just past halfway, like that. And then you're going to change the title of the form to customer information. So you click at the top where it says customers, not the name of the form, but the title at the top. Customer information. And then you're just going to click off that and it'll close automatically. So next it's going to be a split form based on the customers table. So you're going to have your customers table still highlighted, and then you're going to click create again. We're going to go back to the forms table. There should be a tab called more forms. So you're going to click on that drop down box and it should say split form. So click on that. Here it should show you the split form. And it took a second to load, but down here is all the customer's information and name. So you can choose which one you want to access at the same time. It's actually very useful. So we're going to change the title to customer space minus space split view. Now that we've completed the split form, we're going to go to the multiple items form based on the products table. So we're going to click on the products tab, hit create, and the create tab at the top left. And at the same place where we clicked more forms for the split view, we're going to click more forms and click multiple items. This is going to show all the products with a checklist, whether they need to be refrigerated. Shows all the information for every product ID, which is really helpful for inventory. So now we're going to change the title to products, multiple items. Space, space, multiple items. And then we're just going to click off that. And finally, we're going to create a form using the form tool based on the orders table. So we're going to click on the orders tab, the create tab. We're just going to hit form. And then it asks us to delete the subform. And to do that, we're just going to click on the subform. It should highlight the box orange. We're just going to click delete.